Alright, so we're here at a Ratchet car meet, whatever. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's a Ratchet car meet. We got Kyrian. Yo, what's up, man? We got Kyrian with the Z. Check out the Z. I got me and my Jenny. It's dirty right now, don't look at it. We got this man eating chicken.
Fried chicken.
Ooh, that junk good.
Fried chicken.
Anyway, we're basically gonna do like a tour and walk around of all the cars here, whatever, and just have some fun. Maybe talk to some people. Maybe meet a couple people, and it should be fun. Whatever, I guess, for a couple hours. All right, so this is part of the parking lot for the meet, whatever. Got some nice cars over here. A lot of music blasting, so you can't really hear nothing. Some nice Camrys. Just gonna take a walk around and look at some of the cars. Got this nice, clean F80. This thing is beautiful. This one's nice. Look at that. Wow. This one's nice. I like this one. Got this Honda Accord. It's pretty clean. Not bad. Yeah. Got Subaru over here. Got this man walking around. Oh, I got the Audi boys over here. I'm liking this one. You got the Dubai plate. Look at that. This one's nice. It's an S4. Oh, I like that one. I like that. Carbon fiber. That's pretty nice. The Audi boys over here. Oh, I like this one. Look at the wheels, man. These Audis are so nice. Whatever. S4. This is like an A3, I think. Wow. I got like Audi R8. Oh, I got the R8. I don't expect that. Okay. All right. Look at that. The R8, man, R8.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hey. Hold on. Oh, buddy. Look out here.
I don't want to hear it. Hey, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't want to hear it. Now we're talking.
This Subi's kind of clean.
Z's leaving.
Wow. What is this? I don't know about this one. Look at that. Look at that. I like this one.
Yo, is that a cool?
This is nice.
I want to use your friends on high number.
Ooh. Yeah, man. Holy moly. Yeah. Look at this Jenny. This Jenny's pretty crazy. Wow. Wrapped and all that. It's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Wrap it! That thing's pretty crazy. Hold on, I gotta get it focused. Something is going on over here with some smoke. I don't know. But as you saw, that whole car thing, whatever, I think it's pretty crazy. I'm about to go investigate what's happening over here.
That's what you call
Alright, RIP to the brother with the Infinity. Something about coolant, I don't know. Hopefully it's all good. He's able to get it back on the road. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This thing looks fast, bro. Look at this. Insane. really like this Accord coupe. I think it's pretty clean. I think It looks nice. You know, I got the fitment. This one's nice. I like this. Clean. All right, we got this clean 370Z and this beautiful blue 2015 Genesis Coupe 3.8. Two cars, man. Two cars. Yes, sir. This Civic is pretty clean. I love the blue with the white combo. It looks really nice. I wonder how much power it's making. Look at that. Look at the headlights. Wow. All right, this Honda Accord sedan is really clean too. I like it. Looks really nice. Look at the headlights. Wow. This TSX looks really nice. I like the red with the white. Super clean. I love the look of these. Look at that. Got the banner. The Civic. Honda boys, rise up. This one's clean. I like these a lot. This blue Elantra with the white wheels. I think this looks pretty clean too. Look at that. Wow.
Full stamp. It has a full
Super. Oh, yes, sir. That's clean. Look at this beauty. Wow. Hey, it's a Jenny, not Jenny. So like that's all we had. Kieran already pieced out, but we're about to head out because a lot of people are leaving and all that. So we're just gonna go ahead and get out before cops pull up with these cars pulling up and all that. Hope it was a good video. We had a lot of fun, right, Fred?
Oh heck yeah!
Can't see you.
They just said they can't see you. That's insane.
Yeah, not bad. Anyway,
that's insane.
Well, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.